If your chest just sang hic and you have no clue why, you're not alone. Let's crack this case. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that's the muscle that helps you breathe, starts having spasms. It's like your diaphragm gets the giggles. This spasm causes your vocal cords to suddenly close and voila, you hiccup. But what triggers this? Well, eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even getting excited can set off these spasms. It's your body's way of saying, whoa, slow down. Most hiccups go away on their own, but holding your breath or drinking water might help speed things up. So, next time you hiccup, just remember it's your diaphragm having a little dance party. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science tidbits. Catch you later.